Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. When it comes to efficient laundry solutions, the best outdoor retractable clothesline offers convenience and durability for any backyard or patio. Easy to extend and retract, it keeps your clothes organized while saving space and withstanding all weather conditions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. SONGMICS 197-foot retractable clothesline. The SONGMICS 197-foot retractable clothesline is a highly practical solution for anyone looking to maximize drying space without taking up too much yard or balcony area. Offering an impressive 197 feet of line, it can accommodate up to 6 full loads of laundry, making it ideal for large households. Its height-adjustable design, ranging from 4 to 6 feet, ensures versatility for drying everything from short garments to long bed sheets and duvets, while also being convenient for users of varying heights. The aluminum alloy frame is both rust and water-resistant, promising durability for long-term outdoor use. Thoughtful touches like a protective cover for the lines and a cap for the spike extend the life of the clothesline. Lightweight yet sturdy, this umbrella-style dryer is perfect for anyone seeking efficient, hassle-free, and durable air drying for their laundry. Number 2. Fshihine 150-foot retractable clothesline. The Fshihine 150-foot retractable clothesline is a heavy-duty, complete pulley system designed for reliable and efficient drying indoors or outdoors. With a 150-foot black vinyl-coated steel cable and 3 clothesline separators, it prevents sagging and keeps garments elevated for optimal airflow. The included nylon pulleys and mini metal winch ensure smooth, quiet operation, making the drying process effortless and nearly silent. This kit is particularly convenient for patios, balconies, or backyards where a sturdy, tensioned line is necessary for heavier clothing or multiple garments at once. Everything needed for setup is included, so there's no need to source extra hardware. Durable, practical, and user-friendly, the Fshihine retractable clothesline provides a professional, well-organized approach to natural laundry drying while maintaining a tidy, clutter-free outdoor space.
Number 3. GOOFCXO 165-foot retractable clothesline. The GOOFCXO 165-foot retractable clothesline offers a clever combination of space, functionality, and stability. Its 165-foot rope length and rotating top provide a large linear drying area that's easy to access, allowing garments to hang evenly without tangling. The 360-degree rotation feature and adjustable slide on the central post ensure the lines remain taut, accommodating different garment sizes with ease. Installation is simple thanks to the included metal ground spike, which also allows the rack to be moved indoors if needed. Perfect for drying beddings, towels, quilts, or clothing, it combines thoughtful engineering with durability. The protective cover included extends the lifespan of the lines, making the GOOFCXO clothesline a reliable, long-term solution for anyone needing a large-capacity, flexible, and robust drying rack. Number 4. Sukkiri Homu 65-foot retractable clothesline. The Sukkiri Homu 65-foot retractable clothesline is a compact yet versatile solution for indoor and outdoor laundry drying. Its 4-arm umbrella design provides 65 feet of vinyl lines, ideal for smaller households or limited spaces, such as balconies or laundry rooms. The freestanding tripod base ensures stability, while the aluminum arms and central post resist rust and deliver a long-lasting, sturdy structure. Opening and closing the unit is simple with a single action mechanism, making it quick to set up and easy to store when not in use. Measuring just over 5 feet tall, it accommodates a variety of clothing types, from shirts and pants to towels and light bedding. With a maximum weight capacity of 29 pounds distributed evenly, it balances practicality with safety. Lightweight and thoughtfully engineered, the Sukkiri Homu 65-foot clothesline offers an efficient, space-saving drying solution that combines durability, ease of use, and adaptability for everyday laundry needs.
Number 5.
The Sukkiri Homu 131-foot retractable clothesline is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a large-capacity outdoor drying solution. Offering 131 feet of parallel vinyl lines and a rotating top design, it makes hanging multiple garments easy while ensuring even drying. Its steel arms and post are rust-resistant and built for long-term stability, handling heavier items like coats, quilts, or pillows with confidence. Measuring nearly 79 inches high and over 68 inches wide, it provides ample space for larger households or bulk laundry days. The umbrella-style structure allows efficient air circulation, speeding up drying while keeping clothes off the ground. Evenly distributed weight is key, with a total maximum capacity of 66 pounds. Durable and thoughtfully engineered, the Sukkiri Homu 131-foot clothesline combines practicality with convenience, offering a reliable outdoor drying solution that is perfect for large families or anyone seeking a well-organized, efficient method for air-drying laundry. With the best outdoor retractable clothesline, drying laundry outdoors has never been easier or more efficient. Its space-saving design, weather-resistant construction, and effortless retracting mechanism make it a practical addition to any home. Enjoy fresh, sun-dried clothes while keeping your outdoor area neat and organized.